In this video, we want to talk about Palantir, and if you look at the hourly chart, you can see that the momentum is to the downside. Also, if you look at the forward chart, you can see the same thing. Price action is to the downside. And if you look at the weekly chart, you can see that it was a down week. However, a couple of analysts came out and raised their price target on Palantir right before earnings, which is scheduled for August 5th, which is Monday. To get into the actual minutia of the price target raises, let's look at this article. It is coming from Investor Place. So a major catalyst is on the way for Palantir stock, as the big data analytics company will report its second quarter earnings on Monday after the close. Citi has expressed caution concerning the software industry in recent months, although it believes that Palantir will be able to beat earnings. Citi expects that the company's commercial arm to perform well despite government uncertainty. One thing to note, most of the revenue in the past came from governments. They're trying to offset that with going into more of the commercial market. Now, government contracts still seem depressed, though their conversations with management highlighted confidence for acceleration in the long term, but expressed some caution near term, Citi stated. Recent government data in Figure 19 indicates a steep decline of more than 60% driven by DoD, Department of Defense contract, which might have included some catch-up payments last second quarter. Now, Citi also believes that Palantir's AI platform will be able to gain momentum. This is the reason why they raised their price target from $28 to $28 from $25. As for earnings per share, Palantir is expected to beat and bring in 3 cents compared to 1 cent a year ago. During the past 3 quarters, Palantir has beat EPS estimates twice while meeting them 1 time. So we'll look at earnings moves the last 3 times. Now, Jefferies also raised their price target to $28 this morning from its prior target of $24 while reiterating a hold rating. They say that the generous valuation at 19 times expected sales for the cyclical year 2025, making it the most expensive name in the coverage. So it's expensive. However, they still raised their price target. Now, relative to where price is at, we're sitting at around $25. That $28 level is midway between the $26 and the $30 level. Past couple of earnings we've seen in May, we had a spike higher, only to see price decline the next day. Previous earnings in February, spike higher, and then the previous earnings in November, spike higher. So if you look at the last 3 earnings, or last 4 earnings, 3 out of the 4 were up. So the question is, on this pullback, would this be a great opportunity to get long Monday before the close? Only time will tell. However, if you do see a gap down, you have the 200-day moving average at this 2160, and here's the move, which should continue to serve as support at the $20 level. Let's zoom out to the weekly chart so you can see that a little better. You had support, resistance, should serve as support again. So for those who want to get long, wait for that pullback if it occurs. Nevertheless, I do have a $30 target before the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.